Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking and another installment of Soul Food Sunday. I'm continuing my summer series where I collaborate with my favorite channels. Today, I'll be collaborating with Smoking and Grilling with AB. So after watching this video, head on over to AB's channel and tell him Soul Food Cooking sent you. I'll provide a link to his channel in the description below. Today, I'll be making shrimp and grits. You will need 1 pound of shrimp, 4 slices of bacon, a 13-ounce package of andouille sausage, 2 cups of seafood stock, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of onion, 1 large scallion, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the grits, you will need 1 cup of grits, 4 cups of water, 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of mild cheddar cheese, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Also, reserve 4 to 6 shrimp for garnishing. Add the 4 cups of water to a pot, add the 1 teaspoon of salt, then bring your water to a boil. Now add the grits, milk, and heavy cream and mix well. Allow your grits to cook for 15 minutes, stirring frequently. After 15 minutes, add the cheese and mix well, then set the grits aside until later. Using medium-high heat, bring your pan to temperature. Add your bacon and cook until crispy and golden brown. Remove the bacon from the pan and set it aside until later. Now add the sausage and cook for 3 minutes. Remove the sausage from the pan and set it aside until later. Now cook the shrimp you reserved for garnishing for 2 minutes on each side. Sauté the onions for 1 minute. Add the garlic and continue to sauté for another minute. Add the butter to the pan and allow it to melt. Add your flour to create a roux and continue mixing until a rich color develops. Pour in the seafood stock, then bring to a light simmer. Return the bacon and sausage to the pan and mix well. Now add the shrimp, then season with the salt, pepper, and Cajun seasoning. Add your scallions and mix well. Continue cooking for 3 minutes, and now you are ready to assemble your dish. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.